Quick video. We're going to do the video on number 73, number that represents as well Nibiru. And I've gone all the way down until the number inverts itself at number 18. As well on the roulette table, once you pass 15, which is the letter O, what happens is 16, 17, 18 will be the mirror image of 19, 20, and 21. So when we start over here, what I do in order to start is 1 does not change until you add the second to it. And it creates 146. 1 and 4 is 5 and 6. 5 and 6 will create the word day. This is the 11. There's the only way to get 11 is with 5 and 6. The reverse of 5 and 6 is 1 and 2, and it becomes 3, and that is creation again. I'm just doing it with this one. There's many things I can do, but inside of here, it's DNA and spirit. Then inside of here, we achieve red. We achieve 1 and 2, which is the reverse of 5 and 6. I'm bringing this to the 7th gate. There are many places I can go with this. It also talks about Saturn. 5 is energy, and 15 is Mars. It is also 1 times 5, 1 plus 5, back to 5 and 6 again. 22nd letter is life, which is also the 5th letter reverse, which is energy, and it's at 7. Now, why did I go 1, 2, 3, 3? Because I'm adding these up. It's the same one. 4, I'm adding another 73. So I've actually went 1, 2, 3, 4 73s by the time I went 6. 5 by the time I went to 8. 6 by the time I went to 10. 7 by the time I went to the 12th. So 7 and 12 is back to your spirit again. 8 times. 9 times by Q. And that's it. It's 9 times by the time I reach R. This is the hours in a week. It creates 7 and 8. G and H, they're silent together. The gateway to the, I call it the heavens, the H. I don't know which other word, what to use with that letter right now. 7 is the P letter, is the 16th letter. 1 and 6 is 7. 7 is the G. And how do we make 7? 1 and 6, 5 and 2, 3 and 4. How do we make 8? 1 and 7, which is not on a cube. 2 and 6, which is on a cube. 2 and 6 is the inverted of 5 and 1 and into Mars. 3 and 5 is the electric company, and electric company runs through the moon, and the avert of 3 and 5 is 4 and 2, communication, 9 lives of the cat, and electricity, and that is your gateway. When you multiply it and add it, you end up with 5611 again, and Mars. You end up your DNA, the day, and the story starts over again. Then we end up with the half-life, spirit is 76, and they call that the liberty. M in Roman numerals is 1000. Then we come up with the 1440 minutes of the day, and also as well as the DNA and the exchange for light, the 4 for 1. You put the 1 in the center of 4, which creates the 5, and 1 will ignite the 5. Here's your 4, and there's your 5. You see, the 4 is inside the 5 and the 6, so forget about the 4. We're just going to use 5 and 6 because 5 brings the 1, and 6 is inverted to the 1. 1 ignites 6, but only in the heart of this cube. We come down to Q. We had Q over here, and we have 127, which creates 3 and 7, and now A and R, or this one and this one, or if we want to count all the totals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. By the 24th one, we have the invert. And now we invert everything. When we go to the next one, we add one more 73. We end up with 110, like the 110 stories of a building. And we end up with 11 and 0. At the same time, 11 and 0 creates 20. And your third C, 5 and 6 equals to 11. 1 and 1 is 2. So now 3 and your 20th come together, 3 and 2, for the BC creation inside the sun, powered up by the moon. Raphael, just before I go, 7G over here, 22nd letter equals to V for life. The reverse is E for energy. We get phi, and we get the 4 areas. Why do we get the 4 areas? Because in French, they say 4 times 20. So I'm assuming this. And why I look at it this way is because two areas will encompass other space. You need space to run space. Here is my below, and here is my above. Here is my one side, and here is the other. And now we can have rotation of the moons. And then your one solid moon will bring all four areas together. 4 times 20 equals to 80, the expression in French. And there's other things that go on. Only 70 and 90 will bring in 10 through 19. What I'm trying to say by this is in French, when you say 70, you will say 60 plus 10, okay, plus 11 all the way through 19. When you say 90, you will say 4 times 20, okay, and then you will say 10 through 19. But there's more inside of this. We're going to leave it at now as a quick video. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching this video. Number 73 or 37.